I brought myself the Euromarc TM1000 welding helmet late last year as a bit of an upgrade from my old welding helmet, and compared to my older one, having the air-fed battery pack at the back is amazing to have, having the airflow on your face nice and cold, and having the ability to flip up the welding helmet to have the clear grinding mask helps with just quickly cleaning up welds once you're done doing them. Having the enhanced clarity around the sides with the two tinted side panels is really good to see if anyone's walking past you or if there's anything fall or happen around you. Increases safety, I guess you could say. Yeah, it's just a good helmet. It's good to have compared to the other options. Fair price as well. Came with a couple of goodies when I got it in the bundle. It's a good helmet. I recommend it.